common questions I get asked a lot is it going to hurt? That is the adjustment going to be painful? The adjustment itself will not be painful. What could happen though is that because the muscles surrounding that particular joint have been in a spastic condition, they're in spasm, when I release them with the adjustment, there can be a little bit of soreness for the following day or maybe 2 days. That's kind of typical because what happens is that a muscle has been tight on one side, loose on the other side, we switch it all up, and they have to reconfigure themselves. So soreness afterwards, yes. Painful adjustments, no.